Hazelnut. He loves them fucking things. Now, y'all think squirrels aren't dangerous? If you ever tried to crack a hazelnut, you usually got to get some pliers. This little motherfucker just got to it that quick right in front of you. He just got that hazelnut before I figured out how to get this iPhone to do a camera. Oh no, he's pissed. He thinks I'm after his nut. I'm not, but... What are you doing, bud? You got another one on you? And he's in the way, I can't get him one. Wait a minute, here's one. Here you go, bud. Right there, yeah. Break that fucker open. Show these people how strong your teeth are. Yeah. Watch how quick he gets in this motherfucker. He says, fuck it, he can't decide whether to eat it or bury it now because he done ate half the other one. He'll eat it, break the thing out, get the center of the nut itself, and throw the rest of it away. We got you a nut. There he goes, he's broke it. Is your sweetie? He's got the part he wants already. rest away. Heart meat out of the nut, I think is what they call that. I'm not sure. On a pecan, he'll eat the whole thing. On these hazelnuts, he just likes the little teeny center. You get the shell, you get the nut itself, and then you get a little thing in the center head. That's the part he likes. You done already? All right, fuckers and buckets. We'll holler at you later. That's how a squirrel gets into a hazelnut.